Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to download Windows 10 October Update ISO. If you are also a big fan of Microsoft Windows 10 operating system and like to download the latest version of Windows 10 but don't know where to get it, or you have been fooled by YouTubers and downloaded an older version of Windows 10 by tweaking your browser, don't worry, to I'm going to show you the right way to download Microsoft Windows 10 October update using some simple steps. There are so many videos on the internet which are showing you how to download the Microsoft Windows 10 October update ISO without Windows 10 update tool by doing some tweaks to your browser. Actually, by using that method, you are going to end up with downloading a Windows 10 April update. To download Windows 10 October update ISO, you need to go to the Microsoft's Windows 10 Insider Preview download page, because Windows 10 October update ISOs are not yet available for direct downloads for regular users. Go to Windows 10 Insider website. The link is available in the description below. Now, as you open the web page, you will see the message asking you to log in to download an ISO from Microsoft Windows 10 Insider Preview download page. Do note one thing: to download any Windows 10 Insider ISO from Microsoft's official website, you need to be a Windows 10 Insider first and logged in with your Windows 10 Insider account. If you are not a Windows 10 Insider and like to try out Windows 10 latest updates before anyone else, you can sign up for Windows 10 Insider program. There is a link of the video on how to become a Windows 10 Insider in the description and at the end of this video. Now let's go ahead and download the Windows 10 October update ISO. Logged in with your Windows 10 Insider account, after logging in, scroll down the page and you will see the option where you can select the edition of Windows 10 October ISO. Select one and hit the confirm button. 32. Next option will appear for the language selection of ISO. Select and confirm to continue. Now two options will appear to select the flavor of operating system, a 64-bit download and the 32-bit download. Select one as per your hardware compatibility. I am going with the 64-bit download option. A download will start immediately after selecting one of the options. I hope I have helped you out to get the right version of Windows 10 October update without wasting too much time. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe my channel to stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.